Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're experiencing further selling pressure today. 10-year note futures lower for a third consecutive session. Today we're looking at the futures market trading down and closing at the lowest level in basically 5 weeks, currently priced right at 111.07, which is going to be the closing range, it looks like, for today's price action. And when you look at some of the driving factors, really the data points are one of the primary drivers. Once again today, it has been the theme this week, and today we did get stronger than expected weekly jobless claims, 187,000, way below expectations. Also, housing starts as well as building permits, and those came in stronger than anticipated, and that put some pressure on the treasury markets again today. And also couple that with the themes running through the week from central banks across the globe as well as Fed officials basically pushing back on the notion that they may be cutting as soon as March, and the markets now are shifting that dynamic. It is around 50-50 or slightly less than that they will cut in March, which was better than 80% chance just a few days ago. So a shifting dynamic in the treasury markets as we move through the week. And looking at the price action, the yields today, we're looking at the 10-year yield up 4 basis points to 415 basis points. Again, pushing back up towards the top end of the 2-month range at this 415 basis point level. And the yield curve shifting higher pretty much across the entire curve today, from the 1-year all the way out to the 30-year. Now today, a little bit of shifting dynamic with the short end of the curve selling off slightly, with the back end of the curve selling off more so today. So some of that inversion that had narrowed the last few days is getting put back into the market slightly today as the back end of the curve sells off more, with the 10-year notes selling off now for a third consecutive session and trading down to 5-week lows.